Treat yourself and your family to delicious, healthy, homemade soups made simple with the new Soup Chef Pro. It makes stupendous soup fast. You'll go from Soup Chef Pro to bowl in as little as 19 minutes. It's the fastest soup maker of its size. It's a super money saver too. The 1.6 litre capacity makes enough soup for up to 5 servings. Imagine making fresh, homemade soups that feed and delight your whole family for less money than one shop-bought tin. Simply put your ingredients in Soup Chef Pro. With the touch of a button, it does all the work for you. Select the smooth setting for velvety smooth favourites like this rich, deep and creamy tomato and basil soup. Craving a delicious, chunky soup fit for a family favourite meal in as little as 25 minutes? Just select the chunky setting on Soup Chef Pro for a hearty, healthy roast chicken and vegetable soup. Make it using up leftovers from a roast dinner. Soup Chef Pro also has a premium built-in sauté setting. That's right, at the simple touch of a button, you can gently fry and brown onions, garlic, meats, bacon bits, spices and veggies. Then just add the rest of your ingredients. With the one-stop pot Soup Chef Pro, you don't need to cook on the hob. Use a separate frying pan to saute or use different pots or other appliances. Soup Chef Pro does all the stages of cooking for you, all in one. It's one-pot energy-conscious cooking. First, it perfectly cooks your ingredients so you're unlocking amazing flavours. Its special wave blade technology then shreds and blends at specific pre-programmed times through the cooking cycle, allowing all the natural flavours to infuse. There's no guesswork to temperature either. Soup Chef Pro automatically adjusts and balances the temperature from high to a gentle simmer throughout the cooking process. The blending of ideal heat inside its new double-walled construction produces perfectly cooked, beautifully textured soups in the least amount of steps. On a budget but still want to eat deliciously? You can make a week's worth of scrumptious lunches or speedy weekday suppers from one budget-friendly batch in Soup Chef Pro. Since all the soup making magic takes place in one non-stick pot, it's a dream to clean. Soup Chef Pro has an onboard auto clean function that makes it even easier. Fast, delicious, meals in a bowl. Homemade goodness that's super budget friendly. It's Soup Chef Pro from Drew&Cole.